In this video, we will show how to replace the LED strips in this TCL 65-inch TV. Remove the screws and the back cover off the TV. There is a wire underneath the first piece that you remove that is connected to the main board. Disconnect that wire. Disconnect the ribbon cables from the panel. Loosen the buffer boards on the bottom of the TV. Be sure to do this very gently. The buffer boards are very fragile. Be very careful when you are moving them and releasing them. Remove all the screws around the frame of the TV. Remove the bezel from the TV. Lift up the buffer boards and tape them to the TV panel. Slide a piece of plastic along the panel to make sure that there's nothing that is holding it to the TV chassis. Use suction cups to lift and remove the TV panel from the chassis. Remove the filter frame around the TV. Tape the corners on the layer of the diffusion to keep them together and in the correct order. Lift and remove the layers of diffusion. Remove the screws on the LED strips. We are just showing the process on a couple of the LED strips, but it is the same thing for replacing all of them. Lift and remove the LED strips from the TV chassis. Install the replacement strips onto the chassis and install the screws to secure them. Reinstall the layers of diffusion and remove the tape in the corners. Be sure all the corners line up perfectly on the TV chassis. Reinstall the filter frame around the TV. Reinstall the TV panel and be sure it is nice and tight and snug in the corners. Remove the tape and release the buffer boards. Reinstall the TV bezel. Flip the TV over and then slide the buffer boards back into position. Reconnect the ribbon cables. Reinstall the screws. Reconnect the cable to the main board and then reinstall the back cover on the TV. Install the screws to secure the back cover to the TV chassis.